So, ang breadcrumbing is apparently someone that's just strings you along for the ride, but is not really committed to you or is not planning to be committed to you. Hindi kanya gusto talagang i-pursue na as a girlfriend or as a boyfriend. Basically, ang intention lang niya is just to keep you there, to keep you afloat. Na kapag kailangan niya na merong mag-boost ng kanyang ego or para lang maramdaman niya basically na merong may gusto sa kanya. Merong ganong tao na may gusto sa kanya. I think breadcrumbing is more of an ego thing. I think it's an egocentric thing because for someone who just wants someone there lingering, just in case, let's say, you're bored at kailangan mo ng kalandian, in the meantime, yun yung itetext mong tao. Pero hindi mo naman talaga yun liligawan, hindi mo naman talaga e-effortan yung tao. Basically, gusto mo lang andun